First of all, to use the Hulu's picture-in-picture mode, you must launch the Hulu video inside a supported mobile application or desktop web browser. If you are on mobile devices just like me, you have to enable the setting from your device's setting itself. So scroll downwards from the home screen to open this navigation bar panel. From here, tap on the setting gear icon. Tap on the search bar, then cross it to type, and you will find a long list of applications that are downloaded inside your device. Search for Hulu application itself. Once you find it, all you have to do is simply tap on it. I have not yet installed Hulu application on my device, so I'll be showing you from this simply. So scroll downwards and you'll find this picture-in-picture mode option right inside the app info. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure that this feature is enabled. Now once you enable this feature, head backwards, open the Hulu application and start playing video. Then tap on this back option or simply minimize your Hulu application and you will find that the video will still play in picture mode. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.